All right, what's happening, everybody? We got John back here again today. We are doing another vlog today. It is already the evening, but that's the only time we have to work. I digress.
It's the only day today that I'm fucking off work.
Underglow for the 350Z. Why did you want to do this, John?
Kind of want to twin with one of my friends I've known. Since I see his WRX with Underglow, white Underglow, it looked pretty fucking fire and clean.
All right.
Why not just do it?
It was like black lights, like a tube, the tube.
Light filament.
Yeah, light filament. Yeah, that's how they did it. They didn't do LEDs.
And then also it can catch things on fire.
Yeah. So yeah.
I heard if you put Underglow today on your cars, if the insurance knows that you put that, they'll avoid you.
Yeah. Also, cops will pull you over because it's illegal. But you have a button right by your side. You can turn it off. Yes. So we just gotta install this mess. We got a button, and we just gotta plug it into the car. Let's do it.
And there is a fuse puller on there.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is tap into the fuel box.
10 amp. Right below the fuse puller.
We could use a spare.
Wait, the spares don't do anything. They're just extras, right?
Yeah, so we'll draw power. We'll draw power from the spare.
Oh, they still have power going to them?
Yeah, there's a fuse there. All right, so we're gonna hook it up to the battery. Oh, oops. Yeah. Hook it up to the battery real quick and see if they work. Okay, it's sort of in there. Okay, and then here we go. I'm gonna touch it in 3, 2, 1. Press the button. Press the button.
Is yours power? Or the fuse is fully connected?
Huh? It's grounded.
Is the fuse already blown? Check the fuse.
wait. Try it one more time. Ground. What the f? Alright, checking fuse.
Dude, it looks like it's fucking melted. What do you see here?
I can't focus.
Ding 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 ding.
Alright, so it doesn't work. We hooked it up directly to the battery and tried it out and it doesn't work. And the fuse works. So yeah. Put a different fuse in. Let's give it a shot.
Look at all this.
Physically touch them. Oh!
So it's the fuse!
It was the fuse. Yeah. Press the button. Okay, now again. Oh! Alright, it works.
So it's just the fuse.
The fuse that came with it was blown, but my multimeter didn't show me anything. Okay. Let's just cancel that cancellation, yeah?
Yeah, and let me see if I can change.
Alright, we're installing it.
Bow, 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 bow.
Bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. What? Wait, which video?
Well, now it's home.
So we got our, oh shoot, our connectors for the LED strips right here. And we have the power, or the fuse. And we have the solder points right here. Our button. Our extension. And our ground. And our fuse tapper. Alright, so here's a fuse box we're going to tap into. That's where I'll get my power. And then I have my ground is right there where that screw is. You guys can see it right there. Yeah, that screw right there. I'm going to ground right there. So let's do it. See that red wire there? It's in the fuse box. So we got our power. And I wasn't able to loosen that bolt back there. So I just grounded it right here. I know it looks kind of jank, but it's got a good ground, good solid metal. And we're gonna test it out right now. Ooh.
Oh shit.
Are they on?
Yep, hazard's on, I think. Or no, turn signal.
Oh, there's.
Oh shit! Oh! Oh my god! That is like the most attention grabbing thing. It looks so
Dude,
pleasant.
it looks so. Oh, what is it? Need for Speed.
Oh my god! You know what? Time for Need for Speed edit one day.
Oh my gosh.
And you were underground music?
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Damn. I gotta show this to Hannah.
Damn.
Come here, come here.
Turn it on even though the car's off.
No, you can turn it on only when the car's on. Look.
Oh, it's like Saint Row.
Like Saints Row.
Saints Row. Where's the nitrous?
Soon.
You need to make it purple. It looks like Saint Row.
There's gonna be that one curry car.
Oh, ew. The Genki car. That's your Genki.
Yeah.
Look at what I made.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay.
Look at that. Lasagna.
Oh.
Alright, that interior is in pieces. Let's go fix it. Bam! Alright, we're back. And it's clean. Mother Boom! What the
What?
I needed that.
Oh.
Let me see what you got.
We got Flex Seal and Scotch tape.
Yup. Seals leaks fast.
Stop leaks fast.
We're going to get under the car, spray up the holes, and then we should be good. Alright. So that hole right there is what we're going to be patching up. We're going to cover the outside with tape and then spray Flex Seal all over it.
I might need my knife or...
You can pull it just to break it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'll just...
Like hopefully it sticks. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh fuck yeah.
And then just one on the other side of the wire.
Yeah, that's even better. Hell yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. And just right there. Alright.
Alright. It's ready, should be ready for blasting.
Yep. What's that can? Okay, we're gonna let it dry now.
Yo, that's pretty gooey. Oh, it's dripping. Some thick stuff, mate. It looks pretty
Flexible. Still looking for it.
bond, seal, and repair.
Can instantly patch, bond, seal, and repair.
This is definitely gonna prevent any leaks. Definitely.
Yeah, and whoever's gonna jack up my car later on is gonna be what the f? Yeah. Just like that. Just gonna caressingly rub it.
All right, John. Didn't know you had a flex tape fetish.
Just smooth it out so there's no drips. I mean, it is gonna drip on the second spray, so look at that.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Sand it.
Oh! Oh!
Yeah.
Cover up that hole.
Good thing we don't need a light because my underglow helps us already.
Yep. The only benefit. Covered with electric tape with that flex seal.
Jeez. Okay, that's enough. Let it sit for a bit.
Ah, it's on my fingers!
Okay.
Ready?
God. Jesus.
You want one more or are you good?
I think that was good. What do you guys think? Huh?
Yeah. Flex seal. Flex seal always works.
Yes.
Voila. I'll put it under the light so y'all can see that.
There's so much glare.
Alright guys, that concludes it for today's video. It was just a quick, at the end it was just, oh my god, oh my gosh. At the end it was just a quick patch up of the holes we drilled underneath the chassis, and we used Flex Seal. Like, good stuff. And we used Flex Seal to patch up the underside of the chassis to make sure that no leaks would go into the cabin of the, if there was rain or anything like that, since we drilled holes.
It's gonna rain this weekend.
Yeah, so it's gonna rain this weekend, so yeah. This product is available on Amazon. I believe John will, or Home Depot?
Home Depot, Target, your local Walmart.
Yeah. Oh, what about the LED strip?
LED strips is on Amazon.
Amazon.
I'm
Okay.
not gonna say their name because I want people to see what it is.
Yeah, so
Search it up.
yeah, go ahead and look it up on Amazon, just like LED strip.
I'm just gonna say it's 60-inch.
16 inch, alright.
60.
Oh, 60 inch. Alright, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, if you think it was a little creative, go ahead, hit that thumbs up. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Peace.